Hello people of this world. So today I'm going to be doing my first impression of the Doc Marten and Lazy Oaf collaboration in 2019. They've had 2 collaborations within the past 2 years and everything in the line was super cute. I got some pairs last year too from that collab, and when I saw these on Instagram this year, I just knew I had to get myself some. But on the drop date, they were just sold out everywhere, on the Doc Marten website, on the Lazy Oaf website, on the Dolls Kills website. So luckily, Lazy Oaf had a second drop and I was able to get 2 of the shoes, which I have here today. One of them is a sandal, the other one is a boot. And if you don't know, Lazy Oaf is a UK brand. I would describe their style more as punky and edgy meets super cute, and I would say that that's my style. So when I saw these shoes, I was so excited to make these a part of my wardrobe so I can match my clothes and make super cute outfits. I'm so excited to show you all, and let's get started with the unboxing. The first shoe that I'm going to show you are the vegan sandals, and by far these are my favorite shoes out of all 4 of them. They're super cute and adorable, and they sold out immediately when they first dropped, so I'm assuming that everybody else really loved them too because they're just like the perfect summer sandal. And I wanted to show you the box and just take a moment to appreciate how cute the design is. There's pink and hearts all over, and in the middle there's the Doc Martens with bouncing sole, and then the Lazy Oaf with the little like eye logo, which is super cute too. And when I opened these and saw the box, I was just even more excited to open them and see the shoe itself. And I want to show you the side right here, the label, and it says vegan sandals, black and wild rose color. And the wild rose, I believe, is the pink that is on the hearts. And lastly, I'm a UK size 5, which converts to US size 7 and EU 38. So that's the sizing for me. Let's just unbox these. Okay. So when you first see them, it has these super cute pink tissue that wraps around it with the same heart logo that's on the outside of the box. And oh my gosh, they're so cute. Here on the strap, they both are Velcro right here. And then along the strap, as you can see, there's just the cute heart design in pink. There's the iconic yellow stitching for the Doc Marten. And let me just take out the packaging on the inside so you can see the sole. Here is the shoe, and they feel very comfy and light because they are like the bouncing soles. I'll try them on later and see how comfortable they are. And then the bottom part is pleated, so that's super cute too. And then as you can see, it's a little bit of a platform, not too high, but it will give you a little bit height. And lastly, there's the iconic little tag right here, and it says Airways with bouncing soles. So yep, that's this shoe right here. The next shoe are the buckle boots, and these ones were pretty pricey, but I just love them. I think they're gonna be the perfect boots for fall. They also come in this super cute pink box with the hearts all over it. Right here, let me just show you the side with the tag. So it says the Lazy Oaf buckle boot in black, and again, it's UK size 5, US size 7, and EU 38. Let's open this. And again, they come very nicely packaged. Let me just show you how it looks in the box actually. So this is how it is packaged right here. And it comes again wrapped in the super cute heart tissue that's in black and white. And then, ta-da! These are the shoes. Oh, and also each of the shoes come with this little keychain, this heart keychain. So you can just hang it on your bag or something. And So cute with the little heart buckle. I just love it. So let's see how this opens. I also have the previous boot from the last year collaborations, and they also have heart buckles on them too. But there's like, I forgot, maybe like 2 or 3 of them, and it's kind of hard to get in and out of, but it's super worth it because it just looks so cute. But this one just has 1 buckle, so I just opened that for you, and then you just open this zipper right here, and then you can slide your feet into it. And then in the sole, this one is pink, super cute. I believe these are also the bouncing soles, so hopefully they're more comfortable to, you know, wear them out and for a while. However, these are like more platform boots, so as you can see, these are much higher. So compared to like the sole on the bottom of these are more higher, so it'll give you more height, but they are pretty heavy and chunky. But if you don't mind that, then these are super cute boots where you can just wear them for fall. Let me get this out. Oh, and also, I just noticed this. It has a heart on the tongue that's velvet, and then, well, not velvet, like a suede material, and then there's a heart back here that's also a suede material too. Now I'm gonna try on the shoes for you all so you can see what they look like when I'm wearing them. And the first one I'm gonna be trying are the sandals. They're super easy to get in and out of because of the Velcro straps, and super comfortable when I wear them. I love the soles. These are size 7, and I feel like with Doc Marten sandals, it's better to get, like, it's more true to size for the sandals than the shoes. If you were to get it in your original size is what I suggest. Also, I just love the quality, and it's vegan, which is a plus. That's all I have to say about this shoe. It's so cute, and I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this a lot until the end of the summer. Next, we have the boot. I just love the little detail of the buckle, and also the heart that is on the back, the little suede pink heart, and then also the suede on the tongue. It just gives it more of a little pop of color, just not making it all black. I really love that little detail on it. I would say that these shoes are a bit on the heavier side. Like I said previously, if you don't mind like a really chunky shoe with some weight on it, that's good. But if you're not used to it, you might have to break these in a little bit and get used to it. But overall, I think if you wear these, they're gonna make your outfit stand out. I think that people are gonna notice your shoes and compliment them. And I just absolutely love these boots so much. Also, for the sizing for the boots, I would just say that for boots and shoes for Doc Martens, they're a bit on the bigger size because they go by more of the UK, European sizes, so it may not match the US sizes completely. So there are sometimes they run a bit big, but usually I just get my own regular size, which is size 7, and I wear thicker socks with it. But if you want something just more snug to your feet, I'd suggest going a size down. And overall, I think these shoes are so nice, so good quality, just with the feel of them. And when I wear them, they're so comfortable, both of them with the bouncing soles. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, please give me a subscribe and a like. And I can't wait to see you with my next shoe in the next video. Bye!